we're responsible for the delivery and treatment of potable water to about 1,300 customers with about 1,800 connections on the scheme. When the source protection project that we're involved in was originally set up, an operational advisory group was got together, and Donald Kennedy, based in Ballyhaise, is the ASSOP representative. To date, Donald has offered advice on a regular basis as to what direction and sort of mitigation measures we should take in our attempt to protect the water, or the raw water.
I suggested a solar pump powered drinkers, which has been put in place, and what it has done is it's taken the animals out of the water, but has also improved from an economic point of view, better grassland management by the farmer.
In this particular farm here, which is adjacent to a main tributary of our water source, there was a particularly vulnerable cattle access point to the river. We needed to restrict the cattle access whilst not restricting water to the animals for the local farmer. We had a 30-metre vertical height to transverse, and we took our levels. We realised what height we had to achieve, and we sized a solar water pump suitable for that particular application. The pump was installed on the bank of the river, and since its installation the farmer has installed a network of drinkers and pipework throughout the farm, and it's worked very well.